Global Campus Hiring Updates 2021 Wipro. Wipro Campus Hiring Team sending the mails to the candidates who are selected through the Wipro Campus recruitment. So candidate need to do one more step to complete the selection process and to join in the Wipro family. And guys, please remember this point. You have to complete this step before this month 10th December by 5 p.m. So please do this step before closing date and don't forget to share this information to your friends WhatsApp and Telegram group. Wipro requires from the candidates to fill a few mandatory details like the infrastructure, like the laptop or the desktops is there or not, and the locations and the skills preferences, these all things to in order to plan a smooth onboarding process. So candidate need to submit their response on Superset platform by 5 p.m. 10th December 2021. So in this video, we will see how to complete the step data updatation requirements practically. So please watch the video until end. To complete this data updatation requirement step, you have to log in with your Superset login credentials like your email ID and the password. Just enter your login credentials like your email ID and password. Click on the login button. So after login button, you can see the Superset interface. So here you have to click on want to click on the job profiles tab. Just click on the job profiles tab. After clicking, you can see the Allied Nationals Talent Hunt section. So just click on that Wipro. So after clicking on that, just scroll down to the page which is your particular redirector page. After scroll downing, you can see the section called additional questions. So here you have to you want to click the button edit. After clicking on the edit button, they ask to select the preferred locations and the infrastructure details and the skills preferences. You have to enter all the details. So just enter, click on the drop down menu. You can see in the drop down menu, you can select your preferred location first one, and then second one and third one. You can select the three preferred locations, and next you have to select if you have the laptop or not. If you have the laptop or desktop, then until you get the your Wipro assets. So just select your, if you have the laptop or desktop, then select yes. If you don't have, then select no. Is nothing issue. So after that you have to select your skills preferences. So you can select the three preferred skill preferences. First you select the your preferred in the drop down menu. You can select all the preferences. I selected my skills in this section. So after entering all these details like even the infrastructure preferred locations and the skills preferences, just click on the button the save change.